Alright, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me finally sitting down and doing an actual tutorial. I haven't done that in quite a bit, to where like I do my eyebrows, my face, my eyes, everything. I just haven't done that in a minute, so I decided I want to do that today. We're going to be doing a look for Valentine's. I wanted to go ahead and do one because I don't know, I probably wore the same shirt last year for it, to be honest. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. We're gonna go ahead and start off with brows. I'm gonna zoom in and be right back. Now that we're in a very unflattering angle, let's go ahead and start with our brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and decide. Yeah, I'll go ahead and start out with a brow pomade. It's Anastasia brow pomade in medium brown. Man, this is so unflattering. How do I make this look good? Guys, did I even comb up my brows before I started this? No. To carve out the brows, I'm going to be using my Morphe Jeffree Star JS7 eyebrow brush. It is dual-ended. So I haven't been feeling like a really crisp brow recently, so all I've been doing is I mark under. I do above. And now I'm just gonna buff this out using the brush side at first. Okay, one complaint, this brush, I wash my brushes, right? I wash them, I use oil, shampoo, but the end, like the spoolie side of dual-ended brushes for eyebrows, I swear are always so crisp. Like this is, maybe I have sensitive skin, I don't know, but this hurts. So now I'm gonna go back in with the same brush and the same pomade, but now I'm gonna do little brush hair strokes throughout the brow just to make it look more natural. Try to follow your brow hairs. I have the few that stick up right here and the rest go this way until right here and then they go down. So always try to follow the natural line, where it will look even more natural than it already does. If you've been watching my videos, you know my go-to for brows is the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. This is in the shade Fair. It usually comes with a little sponge. I feel like that sponge soaks up too much product, so I always tear that sponge off. And then a dual-ended brush from the Naked Palettes. I'm sure you could find something like this. I just like how it's an oval rounded brush, but it gets really sharp at the end. So it's easy for me to carve with. I don't know. I'm afraid to change because I like what I'm doing, so why would I? I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Great Lash. It used to be clear, but I use it so much, by Maybelline. So I don't know, once I find something that I like, I stick to it, you know. I mean, I will try other products for sure, because I'm not a stickler, but I just love the things that I find that work so well for me. I do want a more fluffy brow today, so let's go ahead and give myself that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other brow off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with face makeup because I don't wanna ruin any of my makeup by any means. This is the palest I've been in a while, and so all of my makeup is too dark for me, and this is the shade Porcelain. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but first I will be going in. I did put moisturizer on. I'm going to be going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Maybe putting this in the places that I have a lot of pores that I just don't want to come through. I'm going to go to the Cover FX Gripping Primer, and I'm going to put that everywhere I did not put the Silk Canvas. Alright, so let's go ahead and use this foundation that never works for me. So this is the Hourglass foundation. It is in the shade Porcelain, and it's still too dark for me. And it actually oxidizes as well, because look how dark that is. It doesn't look that dark right here. What world is this porcelain? I'm gonna use my foundation brush by, why am I not in the middle of this shot? Foundation brush by Jeffree Star. This is a JS1. Actually, for once, I think it's working. I think doing the two different primers really helped me out. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape and the shade Light Sand. Y'all know it's Shart. Oh no 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 no. No. No, that's too dark, that's too dark. Okay. What have I already started? I'll use a little bit of the cover effects as well. Let's go ahead and start doing the under eyes. But since I'm about to do my under eye, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Too Faced Born This Way foundation or my translucent powder ready, just because you want to kind of set that immediately. I'm using my JH07 powder brush, my Born This Way powder. I'm just going to dab it on there really fast. Take a slight bit more, and then swipe it. So I'm not going to go in with the translucent powder again. I just don't want flashbacks, so I am going to go in with the powder that has a little bit of color. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Fair. I'm just going to take it on the same Jaclyn Hill brush. I'm going to coat it a little bit heavier this time just because I will be placing this everywhere. Just because when I put my bronzer on, I don't want any of the product to be moving around. Now I'm going to take this Fluffy It Cosmetics Chic powder brush. I'm just going to stamp it all in. And then a little bit of a with our circular motions as well. I'm just going to go ahead and go in with bronzer. I'm going to be using the Kylie Tequila Tan bronzer, and then a bronzing brush by Jaclyn Hill Morphe. It's a JH02. I wish it had actual names, but it's okay. This might be too warm for me. So I'm only going to do that light layer. I'm actually going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer. This is a little more cool toned, so I feel like it'll work better. Yeah. Okay, so I'm honestly going to be only using or cutting the jaw right now with the powder, the Too Faced Born This Way powder, because I need to keep the the under eye with as little product as possible right now. I will be putting more on it, and I do not want it to be super wrinkly, caked up. I don't like to keep it on for too long because I don't like it when you see that clear line from the bronzer. And I know I've done it before, you know, I'm not shooting down anyone that does it or has done it. I just don't like it on myself. For example. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with blush. Bless you. I will be going in with a brighter blush. I'll be going in with the It Je ne sais quoi by Pores blush. It is just this pink. Usually I go in with like a peach, but since this is a Valentine's look, alright, I'm not mad. I am really rosy, but it's okay. So I'm not going to go in with highlight yet. I'm going to save that for one of the last things I do as well. I am going to set the face really fast. I'll set it after as well. I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I realize that I never show me setting my face in my videos, so I have to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in since we're going to finally do the eyes. Okay, please do not roast me if my makeup looks weird up close, alright? I mean, you can, but I'm sensitive, so please don't. So, I found a look on Twitter. I do not know who, why am I on the middle? I do not know who the original person is who posted it. So if you find them, please, please, please let me know who it is. I saw it, I didn't screenshot it or anything. I didn't even think I was gonna be doing this look. And then I thought of it today. I was like, dang, that was such a good look, I wanna do it. And now I don't know who it is. So please let me know so I can credit her and get you guys to follow her on Twitter. Otherwise I'm gonna be looking for her. I'll put it down below if I find her. So I'm gonna be going in with a lippy. And I'm gonna be going in with this Sharp Anastasia Beverly Hills dual-ended eyebrow brush. I just like to carve out with it. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna make a heart around the eye and a little bit under, which is why I don't have any powder right there. Well, not as much powder right there because I did already put powder right there. So I'm gonna leave that as it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and start filling it in, just so if I need to change the shape, I can easily. Because I see what it looks like now. I'm just gonna use this super small, compact, rounded brush. I checked up to see if these were safe around the eye, and it said they were. If they aren't, and you find different information, please do not do this. But please check it up. Don't go by my word and use this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte American Doll lipstick on your eye if you don't check it out first. Do not go by my word and do it. Check it out first. Now that this janky heart is done, and let's not lie, it is a little janky. It's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait to do the left eye until after all the other stuff is done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take my crochet lashes in the style Nicole. Take this right side. We're gonna take some NYX glitter glue. We're gonna put it on the lash. I know that sounds a little risque, I get it. Kind of use a spoolie to get that everywhere, but not ruin the shape of the lashes. And to be honest, it's working, so I guess let's not get too ahead of ourselves. I'm gonna take the Blitz Stardust Light glitter, and we're gonna take the lash and dip it in that. let's go ahead and do the lower lash line. I'm gonna do the same glitter glue. I'm gonna put on the spoolie this time. I'm gonna work that through my lower lashes. Ooh, shoot. We use the glitter on the same spoolie. Alright, so to be honest, that's it on the eye. I will do this, so to be honest, it's it for the eye. I'm going to do this other eye off camera and I'll be back for the lip and the highlight. Alright, so the eyes are done. I think they look actually super cute. So, I am biased though, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish off the look with some highlight and lips. I'm gonna do highlight first just because I do want to do my brow bone. I'm gonna go into the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm gonna go in with this white shade called Forever Lit. I'm gonna go in with my JS4 brush. I don't really like the blue reflex in it, so I think I'm gonna change the highlight. I'm gonna go into the Glazed Donut by Ofra. I don't care that it's like super unnatural. It's not unnatural, is obviously not the look that I'm going for today. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe rounded brush to do the brow bone. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same lippy that I used for my eyes on my lips, just so we have a matching thing going on here. I have no idea where my red lip pencil went, so. Alright everybody, this is the final look. I think it is honestly just so fun. Sorry, I don't know what I'm looking at. Maybe I'm trying to do a thumbnail secretly, who knows. It's so fun. I wish I knew who the original person that did this look was. I think they just did like a nice pastel white on their lashes instead, but the glitter was something that I wanted to do because I haven't used glitter in so long, and there's honestly a reason why it is all over me and in my eyeballs, but you know, I gotta exfoliate those eyeballs, right? Don't listen to that. Don't do that, please. So, you know, let me know how you guys feel about this look in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It means so very much to me. I can't wait to do another video, and I'll see you guys then. Bye!